joint team comprising Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF Imphal West, FGT Imphal BSF Imphal West Commandos, 164 Battalion BSF with the assistance of Yadam Anti-Drug Civil Organization arrested an alleged drug trafficker near Khuman Lampak main gate on Saturday around 4:14 p.m. The arrested person has been identified as Muhammad Yusuf alias Kaki alias Jakir, 41, son of Muhammad Yain, a resident of Purampad Pangal, Lerak, lane number 6 under Purampad Police Station. During the operation, conducted in the presence of the FSL Mobile Unit, an executive magistrate and independent civil witnesses, the joint team seized 6 packets of ice drug crystal methamphetamine weighing a total of 6.212 kg. A TVS Jupiter scooter with registration number MN06SK4357 and a mobile phone were also recovered from his possession. The accused, along with the seized contraband and other articles, has been handed over to Imphal Police Station for registration of a case and further investigation under the relevant provisions of law.